Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got a quick one for you. This is basically just meeting a need that I had where I got sick of the black chrome always being tarnished and discolored. Anytime I'd wash it or use any chemicals on the car or anything like that, it would always come out rainbowy looking, and over time it just looked nasty. I kind of shopped around for carbon fiber options or gloss black options, but with the cost, it just didn't make sense to me. I had one of the vents already partially loose. Looks like somebody had taken off at one point and broken a few of the clips. So I figured, hey, why not? Maybe I'll just try and wrap it in vinyl. I haven't had much experience with it, so I've only done, I think, the roof rails on this car. So I figured I might as well give it a shot. Start out, you want to make sure this thing is spotless, perfectly clean it, soap and water, and any oil and wax removers. Uh, make sure it's a good surface ready for your vinyl application. When it was all said and done, I had a couple areas with some debris in it, so you could see a little bit of stuff under the vinyl. So if I was going to do it again, I'd make sure I cleaned the backside too. I had just done the front side, but it was my first attempt, so I was able to take it all off and redo it pretty easy. Once you get it down and learn how to navigate the different contours, it gets a lot easier. Now, heat is going to be your friend. It really helps shrink the material a little bit so you avoid shrinkage later when it's out in the sun. Also, it helps you navigate any of those contours and custom shapes that you have to worry about. A hair dryer works fine, or a Harbor Freight heat gun is what I used. Now, if you can, you want to get some vinyl that's got perforations on the backside where it'll have air bubble release built in. So when you do have little areas of bubbles, you can push the air out and it'll work its way out. That makes life a lot easier when you're trying to get that mirror finish on the flat sections. Once you get the mirror finish where everything's nice and laid down flat, then you can move out to the extremities of the panel or piece that you're working on and start to work through those different contours like I'm doing here. Again, gradual application of heat. Don't get too close. Don't put it on for too long. Take your time and you'll get a feel for it. And then you can use your knife to slowly trim out the areas around where you don't need it. This piece itself was pretty nice because it had a lot of contoured sections where it was perfect for running the knife. So you didn't have to use any, tapeless knife material or anything like that. So it's pretty easy to cut it out and trim it out. But it was a fun project overall. Now, I'd recommend getting a basic vinyl toolkit with a lot of the tools that you'll need, like this card here, where you can work out flat areas, and it helps you shape the different contours, things like that. Getting there, trying to clean up this little nasty edge. So I need to trim it out a little bit right there. That's looking pretty good. Here we go. Got a couple little spots of debris. I can feel something under there, but for the first try, not too bad. The only thing that I would have done different is clean the backside edge, which I failed to do. I cleaned the front, and when I tried to wrap it, it made it a little bit more difficult.
What are you doing, dog? Where are you going? This bad boy jacked up here. 25% done with this project. All right, let's go outside. Come on. Nope.